Alright guys, today we're trying Bruchi's. Let's see what they got. Alright guys, so this is a Bruchi sandwich. What we got in here? What we got in here?
Steak, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms.
Okay. It's looking delicious.
I dropped it all over me.
Steamy. Take it back. I haven't had a lot of chopped cheeses, but this was good.
Cheesesteaks? It's good.
What do you feel the cheesesteak?
It fell all over me.
I like the jalapenos. What?
It fell all over my shoe too.
The meat's good. The sandwich is like, has this like sauce on it. What is the sauce? Is that the cheese? Got melted cheese in it. Chopped onion. Bruchi's? What would you say? I don't know about this bread though.
I like the bread. They didn't have different bread options.
They only have one bread option. It's soft though.
I think it's a fire ass cheesesteak.
She says it's fire. What would you rate it?
I would rate it a 4 out of 5. Because I wish like the bell peppers had more flavor than the onion.
You guys speak up a little bit.
Rate it 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Huh? 5 out of 5?
Yeah, 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5? Cause like I wish like the onions just had like some seasoning or something. Like choke.
You ever had a cheesesteak?
Well, I've had other ones, yeah, but they're pretty much the same. But this one's really good.
So how does this compare to any other Philly cheesesteak?
I think the steak is good, like tender, cooked good. Well, it's fat. It's a 12-incher.
We got 12-inch for $13.
How much is it for an inch then?
Look at the guy. It's good. It's good. I'm gonna have to rate it a 4 out of 5. Would you come back to Bruchi's?
It needs like jalapenos.
Needs more jalapenos. You can add more.
These aren't even jalapenos, babe. They're bell peppers.
Oh,
I can't eat them. I'm fucking full.
would you come back and buy it again? No. She ain't coming back to Bruchi's, bro. Lost the customer.
It's good, but it's like I don't want to like I don't think my taste buds are gonna be like, yeah, I want that cheesesteak. Like that shit was like it's not hitting, but it's good. Like it's made well. It's decent. It's big, juicy, tender.
You know, when I think of a Philly cheesesteak, I'm just thinking it's like super enriched with flavor.
I'm cold.
Alright guys, we're back in the car. It was kind of cold outside. So, what's your final words on Bruchi's here?
Honestly, like I said, like it was good, but it wasn't like I feel like it wasn't seasoned enough. And it didn't have enough cheese. So I said it was a 4 out of 5. But now that I'm saying those things, you know, it was good because it was like fresh. Those are like the good things. Like the bread was fresh, the steak was fresh, but it's just like the bell peppers, it didn't even like have season. There wasn't enough onions. There wasn't enough cheese.
So it could have been cheesier?
It's like, yeah, it could have been cheesier. It's like, it's a good sandwich because it was fresh as fuck and I was hungry. It was a good sandwich. But it's like, it did, you know, I don't know. It didn't wow my taste buds. It didn't wow them.
Yeah, guys, we're just sitting here and we're literally just contemplating, like, was this even like, I can't tell if it was good or if it wasn't good. Like, I'm really stuck in the middle.
It was good because it was fresh. Like, that was the best part about it. Fresh steak, super tender.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, they just made it right now.
Yeah. Right in front of your face. Food was like, it was like hibachi.
Ooh.
Hibachi.
But I don't know, Bruchi's. I don't know if I'm coming back, man. You know what I'm saying?
There's a lot of cheesesteak places.
I just don't know if this is the Philly cheesesteak I'm looking for.
This is the legit cheesesteak. We gotta go to Philadelphia. We gotta go get a real cheesesteak, right? Where are they at? Philly?
How far is Philly from Sacramento?
It's on the east side, I think, right? It's like on the east coast.
Okay. And one day we'll go out there.
Nah, I don't know. I mean, they got like cheesesteaks more out than the east coast. But out here, it's like when they do it, it's like, I feel like they're trying. You know, it was a good sandwich. Like, when I come back, I'll probably try some other spot and see if they have better sandwich. And then I can compare it to something. And then I'll tell you from there, like, whose sandwich was better. But, like, from now on, for now, they got good steak. Maybe you just needed more seasoning. That was it. Like, steak had no seasoning. Steak or the bell peppers. That was it. That's all. Just some seasoning. Just like maybe like a little salt.
She was talking about how the sandwich tastes like school food.
Yeah, like, you know, on Wednesday they're gonna have that cheesesteak. Like, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, it was some decent school food. That's fucked up. I mean, it was good. It wasn't wow. It wasn't like, yeah, I would recommend this top tier sandwich. Like, it's good. It's top, but it's not top tier. It's like, it's up there, but it's not top tier. It's like, it's on the shelf. It's like on sale, but it's not at the top. I don't even know what I'm trying to say.
Basically, don't waste your money coming here, guys.
No,
all right,
it's worth the
You're gonna come try it, and you're literally gonna feel like we are feeling right now. This is our first time trying Bruchi's, and this is how we feel. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I want to go get something else, cause this just didn't. This wasn't it, man. This just was not it.
Shoot, yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
I gotta go try more Philly.
Something a little saltier than this. That's crazy. Is that bad that we're like craving a little seasoning? Nah.
Hey, we know what we like, you know what I'm saying? Well, thank you guys for watching, guys. On this Bruchi's review. Alright, guys. Make sure you tell us what other spots in Sacramento to try. Maybe your favorite food spot. Go ahead, comment down below. And we'll go ahead and try to get to it. Alright, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, here's Bruchi's. Don't recommend it.